Hi, this is Avery with Our Visual Brain's Weaving series. Today we'll be working on eye tracking, crossing the midline, and figure ground perception, all in one activity. To set up, you'll need a large piece of paper and different colored markers. We use sweet tarts, but you could use bottle caps or buttons. And you'll also need, in this case we used a roll of toilet paper and a popsicle stick, but you could just use a pencil, that's easier. And then you'll draw intersecting lines from the left side up to the other end of the paper. And you'll have the player guide one of the pieces across the line to the corresponding one, as Luca will now demonstrate. For more fun activities and games, visit us at www.ourvisualbrain.com. Thanks, guys.